Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Stanley Target exclusive pink 40 ounce quencher. Now we previously unboxed the 20 ounce in the pink and the red colorway, so these should look familiar, but this is the mama to the baby pink. Now I really love that Stanley released all three sizes, the 20, the 30, and the 40 ounce for this collection, mainly because Valentine's Day is such a lovely, fantastic holiday for all. So whether you're looking at these for a gift for a loved one or your Valentine, or just yourself, I think there is, all the opportunity to pick up the size that you love and the size that your loved one will love. Now, originally, I was so drawn to this pink colorway and a lot more than the reds, I would say, but I've learned to actually appreciate the red a lot more having seen them in person. That being said, I really do love this pink one. I think the pink, the pink hearts and the red hearts kind of pop a little bit more on the pink colorway, so that's kind of why I would go with it. Now, my favorite detail is the to and from card on the Stanley sleeve. I think it is the cutest addition. It was really smart, and it just kind of is a lovely cultural reminder. If you are older and you kind of don't hand out those Valentines anymore, it's just kind of a really nice throwback. Like, why can't we still give out Valentines when we grow up and, go into the real world? Now, another thing to note is that when I did have the red and the pink together, I actually switched the tops and it gave like a cute kind of mismatched look. So if you are picking up two of them in the different colorways, you could consider doing that. Now, interestingly, they had a quality control issue with this one and they put in two little info packets, but here you go. Here's all of the information. Now, in case you didn't know, you could actually change the straw holder, kind of that plastic piece right on the top, to a closed position. I'm not sure how leak proof that is because I know they were having some issues with that, but just keep that in mind. And then we actually discovered that there are multicolored straws. So there are pink and red straws that come in a 4-pack that we are picking up and we'll try out with the red unboxing. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that cute little accessory. Thanks for watching.